50 million, patsi-patsi lang. Nakita niyo naman, tinusok lang ng farmer. Yung pinag-repair nyo, bumuhos na agad yung tubig. 50 million pesos na agad yun.
Nirepair po nila, pero ganun pa rin naman. Wala rin namang pagbabago. Malaki ng budget na dyan. Pagkakaalam ko, 50 million.
Every single time na magkaroon ng bagyo, lahat ng proyekto ng NIA sa irrigation, nagigiba. Why? Hindi ba na-anticipate nila yan? 50 million pesos for a certain repair at yung nakita nyo sa video, palitada lang. Please allow me, Mr. President, to show a video that my staff prepared today. Sinabi nila, nagagawa sila ng paraan na para i-fix yung problema. That's why, November 7, nagpadala ko ng tao at hindi nila inayos yung problema. 50 million pesos para lamang sa mga palitada na yan.
Nirepair po nila, pero ganun pa rin naman. Wala rin namang pagbabago. Malaki ng budget na dyan. Pagkakaalam ko, 50 million. Gumawa sila ng karsada. Hindi rin mapapakinabangan kasi hindi kayang umakyat ng mga sasakyan. Kahit motor po na single, hindi makakaakyat.
Ang nakalista dito na report ay nasa 77.53 accomplishment na. Pero kita naman natin, hindi pa talaga tapos.
70? Baka 0.7. Baka baliktad. Pinagluloko niyo naman kami.
Ngayon po, ginagawa na po ba ulit nila?
Opo, kaso lang po ang pagkagawa nila hindi naman po tuloy-tuloy. E paano po titiba yan? Yung ibang materyales binibinta ng engineer. Siminto, bakal, binibinta, buhangin. Tapos gagawa yung mga buhangin galing lang dito sa ilog, tatambak dyan. Yung pato nilang maganda, inibinta. Diyan po sa mga bahay-bahay.
Tapos, anong ginagamit nila dyan?
Nakaranas po kami ditong manimot ng bato. Tapos yan po ang nilalagay dyan. Engineer po may decision yan eh. Hindi kami.
Ang sabi ng NIA, by 2027, matatapos na itong balog-balog. Fully completed na. Ang sabi din nila, 50% completed na yung project. And one of my staff went there at yan po yung nakita. May mga heavy equipment na nakatambay lamang doon, nakatenga at walang activity.
Sabi naman lang ayusin, kaso lang wala pa tayong budget.
Problema nga yung nangyari. Kasi kami, parang na-estorbo rin yung buhay namin. Lalong-lalo na mga kapatid namin na katutubo.
Nakita niyo naman po yung video from my previous interpellation here during the last budget hearing back in 2024. Wala pa rin pagbabago since then. At marami pa rin mga complaints coming from the farmers na na-interview namin. Of course, hindi namin kailang pakita yung mukha ng mga farmers na nakausap namin, yung kanilang pagkakalanlan for their own protection. But anyway, I'll start with some questions pertaining to the Bulo Small Reservoir. NIA declared the Bulo Small Reservoir irrigation project completed in 2022, yet field inspections in 2023 after Typhoon Karding, and even recently, this 2025 still show cracks, holes, and uncontrolled water loss along the canals. So, what standard did NIA use to certify completion? How was the project accepted despite all these defects, Mr. President?
Palpak na irrigation projects. Sinita ni Senador Idol Raffy Tulfo ang National Irrigation Administration, NIA, dahil sa kapabayaan at pagkukulang nito pagdating sa pagtatakda ng dapat sanay mataas na standards at specifications pagdating sa infrastructure projects. Sa Senate Plenary Deliberations ng proposed 2026 na budget ng NIA, ipinunto ni Senador Idol na ang posibleng dahilan kung bakit madaling masira ang karamihan sa mga irrigation projects sa mga probinsya tuwing may bagyo ay dahil hindi sinisiguro ng NIA na mataas ang pamantayan sa structural designs ng mga ito. Gaya na lamang halimbawa ng ibinulgar ni Senador Idol na malaking parte ng Bulong Irrigation Dam sa Bulacan kung saan 2 taon lamang matapos ang konstruksyon nito noong 2022 ay nasira agad pagkaraan ng bagyong Carding ng sumunod na taon. Ang masaklap na pag-alaman ni Senador Raffy na 2014 pa pala nang sinimulang gawin ang nasabing proyekto. Ibig sabihin, 8 taon itong ginawa at matapos lang ang 1 taon ay nawasak agad ito ni Carding. Paliwanag ni Senador Francis Pangilinan na siyang sponsor ng NIA budget. Clear that certified naman daw ang design standards ng bulo at kaya raw nito mag-withstand ng hanggang signal number 4 na bagyo. Sa katunayan, bago raw ito mag-operate ay kailangan ding opisyal na tanggapin ng Irrigators Association o mismong mga farmer beneficiaries. Dahil dito, kinwestiyon ni Senador Tulfo kung sino-sino ang mga nagsertipika nito at agad ding inobliga ni Idol na isumite ng NIA ang mga pangalan ng mga ito na mapanagot agad-agad dahil kitang-kita naman sa mga isiniwalat na inspection video ng Senate team ni Idol ang butas-butas at nagtutuklapang mga palitada ng nasabing proyekto. Nangako naman si Senador Pangilinan na isusumite agad ng NIA sa lalong madaling panahon ang nasabing listahan ng mga taong nag-certify.
At follow-up questions also, nabanggit kanina, Mr. President, Mr. Sponsor, na upon completion, pinagpipirma doon sa isang dokumento, if tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, na sinicertify ng mga farmers na okay yung gawa ng project. Sino-sino po yung mga farmers na pinapipirma o pinapirma ng NIA para mag-attest na satisfied sila doon sa proyektong yon ng NIA? Can I see those documents signed by those farmers mentioned, Mr. President?
The acceptance, Mr. President?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we have? And who are those farmers?
Is the file available?
And when did they sign?
Yes. We will furnish the good senator from
Isabela.
Palawan. No? Isabela. The document showing that there was an acceptance by the beneficiaries.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. So,
Yes.
So
The Irrigators Association.
Irrigators.
Mr.
so why is it, Mr. President, konting typhoon lang nasisira na agad yung proyekto? Bakit? Anong klaseng materials ang ginamit dyan? Substandard ba? O super mega substandard materials? Kasi kunting hangin lang, kunting bagyo lang, signal number 1 lang, number 2, giba na agad. Dapat anong klaseng specification standard ng ginagamit ng NIA, ng contractor, para ma-ensure na kahit na signal number 3 yan, hindi madadamage yung project? Bakit pag signal number 2 lang, damage na agad? So, ganun ba lahat ng mga proyekto, irrigations ng NIA? Konting bagyo lang, nagigiba na agad lahat ng proyekto nila?
Yes, we are checking, Mr. President, because according to the NIA, Typhoon Carding was a strong typhoon.
How strong was it, Mr. President?
175 kilometer winds, Mr. President.
Which is
So, ano siya?
signal number 20? Ano ba yun?
Signal number 4,
Okay.
Mr. President. And therefore, dahil dun sa Typhoon Carding, nagkaroon nga ng damage. If I may add, Mr. President, there was an issue that there were no contractor details on a number of projects. The following, they say, are the pertinent documents relative to the contractor details awarded in NIA Central Office, as such as the notice of award, contract agreement, and notice to proceed. So meron naman daw.
Okay. Ito yung problema na nakikita ko, Mr. Sponsor, Mr. President. Alam naman ng NIA na lahat ng mga probinsya na pinaglalagyan nila ng irrigation project nila, dinadaanan po ng typhoon. Isn't it about time na dapat they have to set a standard na kahit signal number 4 pa yan, signal number 5, wag naman sana, it can withstand that kind of extreme weather condition. Kasi sa ngayon, every single time na magkaroon ng bagyo, lahat ng proyekto ng NIA sa irrigation nagigiba. Why? Hindi ba na-anticipate nila yan? Na ang Pilipinas ay talagang pasukan ng bagyo? All year round, binabagyo tayo. And all year round, nasisira itong mga irrigation projects. Why? You should have anticipated that. Sana gumawa kayo ng mga proyekto na it can withstand up to signal number 4. Period. Bakit signal number 3, 4, giba? Meron pa nga dyan, signal number 2 lang, nagigiba eh. And mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo, signal number 2 lang, na bagyo, nagiba na agad yung irrigation project ngayon. Ibig sabihin, super, mega, substandard yung ginamit na materyales. Nakita niyo naman doon kanina sa video. Huwag na tayo maglokohan pa.
Yes,
Mamaya, magpapakita ko sa inyo ang ghost project nyo.
yes, with respect to the first video,
I'm sorry, I'm not mad at you, Mr. Sponsor. Ha?
I can understand your concern, distinguished Senator Raffy Tulfo, no? But thank you for that clarification. But sa
Kasi
atin-
mamaya, baka pa-change of rules ko eh.
yes,
Pero
the-
sige, ikaw na lang. Para medyo hilalamig-lamig ang ulo ko.
And according to the NIA, they do have a video that they can submit or present regarding the repairs that have been and the present status of Bulo series. That's one.
Excuse me, Mr. President, let me interrupt. Repairs, 50 million pesos for a certain repair at yung nakita nyo sa video, palitada lang. Pachi-pachi. Ganun ba tayo gumastos ng pera ng gobyerno? 50 million, pachi-pachi lang. Nakita nyo naman, tinusok lang ng farmer. Yung pinag-repair nyo, bumuhos na agad yung tubig. 50 million pesos na agad yun.
Ano, pasabit natin. Yes, but Mr. President, as Senator Tulfo was raising the issues, I said, is there a way that NIA can revisit and review and investigate, given that yung pinaka-latest status is September and Ocular was September 2025?
Yes, Mr. President. But yeah, it was September 2025. Pero consistent pa rin ang aming communication sa mga tao on the ground.
Yes, and
A
that
couple
too
of weeks ago, tumatawag pa rin kami doon sa aming asset, wala pa rin pagbabago. 2 weeks ago lang po yun.
Yes, and the commitment of NIA is they can look into this because of the concerns of Senator Tulfo. They are willing to conduct a internal investigation and submit the findings to the Senate and through your office, Mr. President. That's one. But they also would like to be allowed, if with your permission, to present the video of the latest, as far as they are concerned, and we'll put that on record. But that does not preclude or does not mean that they will not conduct an internal investigation on the latest Ocular as manifested and presented by Senator Tulfo. Are we, with the permission of Senator Tulfo? Yes.
Oh, yeah, my question is, are we talking about Bulo Small Reservoir?
Bulos, no? Ito muna.
Is that the
yes.
Bulo? Okay.
Bulos.
Bulo.
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 And besides, sir, wala namang 50 million na ginastos kasi yun yan lamang po yung
Ano yan? 50,000?
50 million. 50 million, 5 million.
No, I don't understand.
Di ba September yung pinag-visit? Okay. Siguraduhin nyo lang, hindi inedit yan ha. Ipapakita nyo. Kasi papakita ko sa expert yan kung talagang
Yes, according
legit ba yung video na yan or merong konting editing na ginawa. Photoshop or whatever.
Structures, improving irrigation canals, and ensure that Bulo Dam, located in Bulacan, was built to irrigate farmlands and support thousands of farmers. It has an actual service area of 418.48 hectares, benefiting 322 farmers from the municipalities of Doña Remedios Trinidad and San Miguel. NIA immediately implemented rehabilitation works, strengthening structures, improving irrigation canals, and introducing modern monitoring systems for efficiency and safety. From challenges to solutions, from oversight to action. Bulodam stands as a lifeline for farmers and a pillar for food security. This is Bayanihan. This is Bagong Pilipinas.
That is, well, according to the NIA, that is as of October 2025.
Mr. President, siguro kung ipakita niyo yun sa isang kindergarten, magpapalakpak. Wag po kami, mga Pilipino. Ang pinakita niyong video, PR video ang tawag dyan. At gumastos pa kayo, I'm sure. Libo-libo ginastos dyan. Ang gusto ko makita, yung mismong structure. How was it repaired? Yung bang palitada na tinusok lang ng farmer gamit ng isang maliit na bakal, tumagas na agad yung tubig. Yun yung pakita nyo. Huwag yung pakita nyo mga farmland, pakita nyo yung hepe ng NIA na nagpapapogi, papakita yung mga damo, yung palay na tumutubo. Huwag ganon. Huwag tayong maglokohan dito. Ipakita nyo yung struktura na may defect after it's been repaired. Kaya nga, bakit yung pinakita? Pakita nyo yung structure.
Yes.
Doon sa video kasi pinakita ko na palitada lang
I
ang
agree.
ginawang repair.
I
Pakita
agree.
nyo sa amin ngayon, Mr. President,
Yes,
kung anong klaseng repair ang ginawa.
I agree, Senator Tufo. As I was watching the video, I said, oh, nasaan dyan yung sagot doon sa tanong ni Senator Tulfo? Wala. Apparently, mali pala yung video. They have another...
Okay, take two tayo.
Yeah.
Take two.
Kumbaga sa take two. Cut.
Well, please, i-edit nyo na yung papogi. Magbibigay ka ng mga figures na ito'y para sa mga farmers, ikabubuti ng farmers, pinapakain, etc. Huwag yun. Structure agad, direct to the point. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy.
So,
pakita nyo yung structure.
and
Tapos pakita nyo yung, Mr. President, pakita yung mga tao na nag-repair, kung anong klase ginawang repair, pakita kung anong mga materials ang nilagay doon sa struktura para ma-address yung issue ng butas-butas na struktura, etc. Huwag yung papogi. Huwag yung PR video. Galing po ako sa media, no? Alam ko kung ano yung video na papogi lang at alam ko kung ano yung video na ina-address talaga kung ano yung issue. In this case, the issue wasn't addressed. My question wasn't answered.
yes, and that's why they are now, they are apologizing that they presented the wrong
The wrong video.
video.
Okay.
And now they will present the
The right
correct
video.
one that will answer the issues raised on Bulo. May we have the...
Second video.
Can we have the video?
Baka wala naman. Kung wala na, sige.
The photos. Yes, exactly. It's not going to be a video. It's their photos as of October 25, 2025. And according to the administrator, Mr. President, the Bulo irrigation dam was constructed and completed in 2014.
Started in 2014.
Started
2022, I think.
started in 2014 and completed in 2022.
And then nasira noong 2023.
Nasira.
1 year lang, giba na agad. God damn. I'm sorry. After 1 year, for 8 years ginawa yung project, and then 1 year, sira na agad. Anong klaseng proyekto ito? Okay, sige.
So, explain to me. So the one that is encircled is the damage on the left side. And this is as of October 2025 on the right side. It has been repaired by the contractor, Mr. President.
What kind of repair?
At no cost to the
No.
government. And as to the kind of repair, this was also inspected by our, it was retrofitted and inspected by our regional office and was accepted.
Can I see the inspection report, Mr. President?
Yes, and also the repairs were likewise accepted by the Irrigators Association. And yes, we will submit the supporting documents, Mr.
Inspection
President.
report. Now, bakit malayo ang kuha, Mr. President? Bakit hindi close up? Para makita natin yung eksaktong repair na ginawa.
Hindi rin ito close up, but that
Malayo,
too,
Mr. President.
yes.
And then what kind of materials were used?
Okay, this is the siphon and the repairs that were
Kasi,
dati
Mr.
kasi sinara na, no?
Open po dati, sir.
Dati nakabukas yan
Pina-close ko.
at pinasara na para mas protektado.
Yes, sir.
So that is the latest. Sarado siya dahil at no cost to the government.
At no cost. Mr. President, I'm not an expert. I'm not an engineer. Pero using common sense, hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng lokohin o yung mga taong nanonood sa atin ngayon. Ang nangyari niyan, nilagyan lang ng palitada and then pininturahan. Konting kiskis para maging makinis. Ganon ang ginawa ng NIA. Mr. President.
According to the NIA, it was not just palitada. There was actually a steel casement.
So, I give you a challenge. Pupunta tayo, staff ka staff mo. Pag napatunayan na patsi-patsi lang ginawa, someone has to resign. Are you willing to resign? Challenge taken. Good.
Mr.
Please.
President, may we request that instead of that the NIA administrator refer his answer to me so that I can
Okay.
place it on record. The NIA administrator, upon the challenge of Senator Tulfo, yes, said one, they're willing to go to the site and inspect it, and
And of
two,
course, we're going to bring experts, engineers, independent.
and two,
Observers.
if it is found out that in fact, as alleged by our good senator, that there are defects in the repairs, the administrator has said he's willing to resign.
And
So
we will do,
he vouches for
Yeah.
the integrity of the repairs undertaken as accepted by the Irrigators Association as well.
and we'll do it next week, Mr. President.
Next week?
Challenge accepted.